If your adult child needs a safe space to avoid offensive words, you failed as a fucking parent. If anything in my seminar offends you, blame your parents for raising a pussy.
Come on, you gotta admit that looks pretty cool. So we gotta fabricate a few parts here to make this work, obviously. This is gonna have to be slightly redone to fit, obviously, that bracket again. And we're probably, unfortunately, gonna have to eliminate one shock. Maybe. I might run a shock if I can get it. It's gonna be hard. I'd like to attach a shock right here and weld it down to this. Don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. I would still be fine with one shot because we're not doubling up on this ride. As long as there's some absorption, I'm okay with that. And this is not at the correct angle it's going to be at. Obviously, that won't be digging in down there. This is going to be way over here. So it won't be even close to that or able to hit it. I just kind of set it down there so you guys would have an idea of what that's going to look like. So there you go. Pretty cool, huh? This thing will look pretty darn savage when I'm done. At least that's the hope anyways. It looks like it's gonna be pretty cool. Looks like it's gonna be pretty neat. And then once I put the ski on the front, I mean, this thing should be able to turn that track without issue, but I wanted you guys to see kind of what that looked like right out the hole. So I've got some custom fabrication I'm gonna have to do to make this work, but I will be supplying these as a kit. So if anybody's interested, make sure you follow my YouTube channel. You won't be able to keep up with this. We are also going to have to eliminate a few things I'm realizing, like the rear brakes. They're going to have to be ground down and completely cut out for this to work. You'll still have front brakes for the summertime, but your rear brakes, unfortunately, are, if we're doing this mod to the 50cc version, I think, unfortunately, we're going to have to get rid of the rear brakes. So that, I've already taken them out. That was the only way that this kit was going to fit on there. So if you decide to go like this and you're doing this to your normal ride, you're probably not going to have rear brakes after this is done. You'll still have your front brakes. They will work just fine in the summertime, but your rear brakes, to do this mod, you'll have to most likely get rid of them. That's why nobody's really done this before, because this is a huge undertaking. Getting this CVT to work with a snow track like this is going to be very complicated. So, but I'm a smart cookie. I got this. We will make this work. We will make this available to anybody who has the want to do this to their scooter for the wintertime. This should be a lot of fun. So we've got the ground clearance that we're looking for. Should be able to push some snow and move some stuff. I think we'll be fine. We've got plenty of clearance underneath there for that track to meet the ground and be able to move some snow and have some fun. So I think this will work great. Follow the YouTube channel if you want to keep up with this build. Like I said, I got to get with some people that fabricate things now, kind of show them what's going on here, and go from there. So wish me luck.